Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable electric winches that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the portable drill winch from Hoist. This drill-powered winch stands out with its innovative design that leverages your handheld drill for power, making it a unique solution for lightweight lifting and towing tasks. With a maximum pulling capacity of 1,000 pounds and a 40-foot alloy steel cable, it's a versatile option for applications like log handling, snowmobile recovery, or even light trailer work. One of its standout features is the integrated 2-speed clutch that allows for forward and reverse applications, adding flexibility to your operation. When it comes to design, the Hoist drill winch is compact and lightweight, weighing just 14.48 pounds. This makes it incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go tasks. The winch also features a visible window for monitoring the steel cable during operation, ensuring safety and efficiency. It's built with steel planetary gears, which not only enhance durability, but also minimize noise, a big plus for users who value a quieter operation. However, the reliance on a drill for power means you'll need a compatible drill to operate it, which might not suit everyone. Ideal for hobbyists and light-duty users, this winch offers great value for its intended use cases. While it's not the most powerful winch on this list, its simplicity and portability make it a solid choice for specific, less demanding applications. At number 4, we have the Winch 3-in-1 electric hoist winch. This model is packed with features designed to make lifting and towing both safe and efficient. With a lifting capacity of up to 1,100 pounds and a 25-foot lifting height, it's a versatile option for various tasks, from warehouse operations to garden maintenance. What sets this winch apart is its 3-in-1 control system, which includes a wired remote, a wireless remote, and direct manual operation. This flexibility ensures you can operate the winch in the way that best suits your workspace and safety needs. The Winch winch features a robust build with a galvanized anti-rotation wire rope and an industrial-grade pure copper motor that ensures stable performance. The safety features are equally impressive. This winch comes equipped with overload protection and a safety limit switch that automatically cuts power in case of an emergency. Additionally, the 360-degree rotating forged alloy hook with a safety latch adds an extra layer of security during operation. While the Winch winch offers excellent functionality and safety, its lifting height of 25 feet might be limiting for some users. It's best suited for light to medium-duty lifting tasks in controlled environments like garages, small construction sites, and warehouses. Overall, it's a reliable and well-rounded product for those who need a bit more capability than entry-level winches can provide. Coming in at number 3 is the Winch 3-in-1 electric hoist winch, a heavy-duty option for users who need to lift or pull heavier loads. With a massive lifting capacity of 2,200 pounds and a rated load of 1,100 pounds, this winch is designed for demanding tasks in factories, construction sites, and warehouses. Like the Winch model, it features 3 control methods: manual, wired, and wireless, giving you maximum control flexibility. The wireless remote has a range of 26.25 feet, allowing you to operate the winch from a safe distance. Performance-wise, the Winch winch is powered by a 1,500-watt universal motor, delivering a lifting speed of 16 feet per minute. It also includes advanced safety features like an industrial limit switch and overload protection, which ensure safe operation even under heavy loads. The 360-degree rotating hook and robust carabiner design further enhance its reliability and security during operation. On the downside, the Winch winch is heavier and bulkier than some alternatives, which might limit its portability. However, for users who need a high-capacity winch with advanced safety and control features, this model is an excellent choice. It's particularly well-suited for professional environments where efficiency and safety are paramount. Our runner-up is the Nutri 3-in-1 electric hoist winch, a highly versatile option that combines power, convenience, and advanced safety features. With a lifting capacity of 1,100 pounds and a maximum lifting height of 82 feet, this winch is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from lifting bicycles and kayaks to heavy-duty construction work. It offers 3 control methods: manual, cable remote, and wireless remote, ensuring you have the flexibility to operate it from various distances and positions. The Nutri winch is powered by a 1,500-watt motor, which delivers a lifting speed of 16 feet per minute. Its design includes 360-degree rotating hooks with anti-fall safety buckles, overload protection, and a limit switch that automatically powers off the motor when the load reaches critical heights. This focus on safety makes it a great choice for users prioritizing reliability. The winch can be installed vertically or horizontally, and it comes with additional accessories like a lifting strap and a fixed bracket for added convenience. While the Nutri winch excels in functionality, its higher price point and bulkier design may not appeal to casual users. However, for professionals and serious DIYers, this winch offers a perfect balance of power, safety, and versatility, making it an excellent value for its capabilities. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.